Freshman interest groups, or FIGs for short, are clusters of high-demand first-year courses, grouped by a major or academic theme. Each cluster is grouped with a distinct FIG colloquium course, IDS 1921, which will connect new undergraduate students with a peer mentor and other first-year students who share similar academic or career interests. FIGs are a great way for first-year students to quickly and conveniently enroll in high-demand courses. Here's how to do it. Note: FIGs are not editable. You cannot change sections of any course within a FIG cluster. You must enroll in the specific section of each course included in the FIG to keep the FIG in your plan. In your planner, select the Add To button for your first fall semester, then select Add Course. In the Search Courses box, enter IDS 1921, then select the course. Now that it is in your plan, select IDS 1921 to see the available sections appear on the right side of the screen. FIG colloquiums are variable credit and may be taken for 0 or 1 credit hours. Choose the number of credits you want for the colloquium by selecting the Credits dropdown and selecting the credit amount. You can scroll down to review the available colloquium sections. Each section will have a discussion section number. These discussion numbers correlate with the FIG number in the It's All Academic book. Example: FIG Section 1 will appear in Stellic as DSC 0001 of IDS 1921. Click on the View Linked Sections icon to view the child classes included in that FIG cluster. You may also click on the Colloquium section to view more details about that section. Select the plus symbol for the discussion number that corresponds with your desired FIG cluster to add it to your plan. Once you've selected your FIG Colloquium section, you will receive a pop-up message listing all of the classes included in the FIG that will be added to your plan. Click Add to Plan. Add other courses you plan to take that are not included in the FIG cluster to your plan. Then select the Continue to Registration button to begin the registration process.